Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the PlayStation app not working. And it's actually really easy and simple. So first things first, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and check your internet connection, okay? Just go to Google, type on speed test right here, search that up, just run a speed test. Make sure that your device is connected to the internet, a good and stable connection. And if it's not a good connection, what you can do is you can try connecting another device to your network, test your connection, or you can switch to mobile data and vice versa. Really easy and simple. And another thing what you can do is you can go ahead and check the PSN server status. Let me show you how to do that. Alright, so just go to Google, search PlayStation server status, open up the first link, and as you can see right here, you have to choose a country or region to check the status. For example, let's see in the United States, choose that location, and then once this loads up, you'll be able to see, okay, all the services are currently up and running in the United States, so that is fine. Another thing what you can do, guys, is go ahead to your app, make sure your login details are actually correct, using the correct email address and password to actually log in. Okay, what you can also do is make sure your PSN account is active and not suspended. Okay, check your email, see if there's any notifications such like that. And what you can also do is you can go ahead and update your console. So you need to check for updates for your PlayStation console and install them if they're available. And if it's still giving you issues, what you need to do is hold on the app, click on app info, and they'll redirect you to this page. So you're going to scroll down and you see this option right here that says storage and cache. Click on this and you will see the option right here at the bottom right to clear cache. Click on that, clear the cache, then click on clear storage. It will basically delete any app data as well. And then what you can also do as a last resort is just reset your console's network settings. Okay, go ahead and do that and that should fix the issue. Really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. Turn on those bell notifications so you get notified of the next video, and I'll see you in the next one.